What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Chris Bliss Builds. Today we're going to be working on building like a sort of semi-permanent wall to just go on this outdoor bit. Just a nice frame, got a tarpaulin here, staple gun, and I'm going to fix the extractor fan into it, so that will sit down in the bottom corner there. So yeah, let's just start smash this out, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So yeah, that's the basic frame cut out of the square or rectangle. So gonna drill them and then screw them up, and yeah, then we'll move on to the supports and then eventually the sort of mounting point for the fan. So this is going to be the little enclosure for the fan. I've just cut two supports left and right, so I'm just going to screw them in. There we go, so the plan is I'll be able to sort of screw it in, screw the fan in, sort of once on each side. I've got to lay the tarpaulin out, put the frame over it, and then try to pull it all tight, staple gun it, I don't have anything to, I need some sort of battening to clamp it down completely, but for now I've just got the staples. That should just hold for the time being, so yep, I'll do that. So yeah, I've laid out the tarpaulin, so I'm now going to lift the frame onto it. I've pegged it in all four corners so to keep it taut. Yeah. Alright, yeah, so I've got this wall up now, got the fan down there, it's working quite well. I tested painting something using it, yeah, so it's pretty good. So yeah, I've got my rear bumper now, new one for the Mini, so I'm going to be working on this, get this all done. Just, yeah, obviously I primed it yesterday and now flatten it back a little bit and then paint. So yeah, hopefully it's going to look good. I'll get back to you when I'm ready to paint. So yeah, painted up the bumper and just mounted it on here. There are 2 little runs in it. Got a little bit here, a little bit over here. Should be able to just sand them out and then sort of polish them over. So I'm just fitting the clips to the arch trims. I'm going to stick them on now. So yeah, I've got this side skirt, that side skirt to still do, and then I've got 2 brand new wing mirror covers here. That's the last of it. Got the JCW grills. Not sure whether I'm going to put them on or just keep the ones that I've got on there. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm sanding down the other bits. So yeah, now I'm going to lay down some clear coat. Right, if you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that button. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to be putting the Mini together. We are getting nearly there. So yeah, if you're excited for that, stick around. Yeah, and I'll see you soon.